Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Our channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to sign up Twitter for Android. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And the first one you must to do, you can click in the upper of the left corner, the symbol of the profile, click on, and go to the settings and privacy. And after that, you can go to your account in the first one. And the next step, you can go to the account information. Click on the account information here. And now you can see there is a have a logout of the text in the Twitter application, and you can to click the logout and you active to logout it. Click on the logout, and now your Twitter is logouting. Okay, this is a tutorial how to logout Twitter on application for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.